Namaste, I'm Deepak Jam, yoga teacher with World Health Organization, New Delhi. Today I thought I'll talk a little about the human body and its components. Now, all around, if you see, whether it's the earth or the atmosphere, they look as if they're like solid but they have a lot of layers. The earth has layers, the atmosphere also has layers. Similarly, our physical body is the outer layer of our being. So let's see whether we have something more within this. According to yoga, your body has 5 distinct layers. Imagine an onion. So as you peel it, you have another layer and then another. So similarly, your physical body is called the food sheath or the Annamaya Kosh. It's maintained by the food you eat. So all your physical cells, everything that your physical body is made up of is the food sheath. So yoga postures help to nourish, help to strengthen this layer. Then the next layer inside is called the mental sheath or the Manomaya Kosh. All your thoughts, all your likes, dislikes, all your reservoir of thoughts is the mental sheath. Now yoga asanas also impact this layer as they calm down and stabilize the mind. As you get into a physical posture, the mind also becomes stable with it. Then you have another layer called the energy layer or the pranamaya kosha. So pranic energy is the energy that gives power or life to this body. So when you do step called pranayam, you actually expand your vital energy or pranic energy. After your pranic layer is the intellectual layer or the Vijnanamaya Kosh. This is that faculty in you which tells you what is right and wrong, or you could say the discriminative faculty in you. So whenever in life we have options, we know that this is the right path, but sometimes we do not follow. So this is the faculty which tells us what is right and wrong. Whether we follow or not is a different matter. And then all these outer layers get their spark from what is called the blissful sheath or the Anandamaya Kosha, the self within you or the soul. So all that we are able to do, the fact that you're able to hear me is because of the Atman or the self within you, and the fact that I'm able to speak and all my faculties are working is also because of that. So whenever you practice yoga, in my earlier video I spoke about the difference between yoga and yoga postures. Therefore, whenever you're doing even a physical practice of yoga, keep in mind that even these layers are being impacted. That the soul is what gives me the spark and enlivens all these layers of my body. So do not just confine your posture to the physical body only, but feel the layers inside also. So this will make your practice more beautiful and more wonderful experience. That's for today. Some more topics in the upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye.